You might have heard a lot about it. Agile Equipment is now selling the Thermal Master Thor 2 standalone thermal imaging camera. If you're in the water damage restoration industry, you know how important it is to quickly identify hidden moisture and temperature differences during inspections. The Thermal Master Thor 2 quickly and visually highlights temperature highs and lows with the use of Super IR technology. This is a great tool to help you initially detect moisture intrusion quickly, then using moisture meters to measure the level of moisture. The Thor 2 also features a bright IPS display with a 25Hz thermal refresh rate, delivering smooth, responsive imaging while you scan walls, ceilings, and floors. Many thermal cameras on the market operate at just 9Hz, which can appear slower or more choppy during inspections. With 25Hz output, the Thor 2 provides a much smoother live image, and while some higher-end cameras offer similar performance, they cost in the thousands. Another key advantage to the Thor 2 is that it is a fully standalone thermal camera. This allows for a quicker setup, doesn't rely on your phone's battery, and can be used by anyone with ease, making it much simpler to show clients moisture spread on the spot while you're discussing the job. What's also great about this unit is its multiple imaging modes which can be accessed quickly by the main menu. It includes the classic infrared mode we all know and love, visible mode for normal picture, fuse mode which overlays normal picture with elevated high temperatures, a picture-in-picture mode to help you contextualize the infrared image, and the most popular mode, iMix, which overlays the infrared with normal picture to carry over the full information of both modes at once. Thor 2 is simple to use when taking photos or images. Just press the trigger button for a photo, or hold down the trigger for a few seconds to start a video. Press the trigger again to save the video. When taking photos, it not only saves the infrared image, but the standard image as well, both labeled the same file name with an IR or DC label on them. Not only that, but both images and videos have their data measurements visually hard-coded on them for contextualization. Very user-friendly for when creating your job reports. It's easy to transfer images, just plug the Thermal Master into your computer and it acts like a USB flash drive. Other features include a toggle-on flashlight, emissivity settings for measuring different materials more accurately, and a customizable on-screen measurements including movable custom spots to measure temperature which can be compared. The Thermal Master Thor 2 has a 5000 mAh lithium battery that lasts up to 10 hours, a 32GB SD card, and comes with a thick braided 1 meter long USB-C to A data and charging cable. It also comes in a heavy-duty carry case with a custom insert, also with a quick start guide, calibration certificate, and a 3-year manufacturing warranty. If you're interested in buying the Thermal Master Thor 2, you can buy it on our website at agileequipment.com.au or visit our Brisbane showroom in Murray. We're happy to have a chat. Thanks for watching.